How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I'm talking to you about a very cool project that's actually working with two of the largest cryptos in the world. And this is something that's happening kind of behind the scenes. It's maybe a project that you haven't even heard of before. I'll be honest, I hadn't heard about it a few weeks ago, but they are quite impressive. This is one of those ones that you actually get excited about. It's not a meme coin. It's an actual company with real cash flows, with real utility that's happening behind the scenes that could be very valuable moving forward in the crypto space. So if you like this, you can check out their links underneath the video. They are a partner of the channel, Beware Labs, and let's get into it. So Beware Labs has a couple things that pop out to me right away. First of all, when I go to their Twitter page, they actually have some people that I'm following that are following them. Crypto Differ, Stand With Ukraine, and That Martini Guy. So right off the bat, they're not just buying all their followers. They have some real utility because people are actually interested in them that are like real people. They also have made some big partnerships recently. They say that they have $300 million of total value locked, and they've secured 5 billion assets, which we'll talk about what that means exactly, how they're doing that. They have big partnerships, and they're working with Avalanche and POLYGON. So let's take a look at their website. They have a couple different core products: the Blast API, Faucet, snapshots, API chains, validators, bridge operators. And as you can see, they're kind of working with some different clients than usual. Usually we hear about these cryptos and crypto projects, and they're just an idea. They're just hoping to be able to raise some money to create a game or something like that. But no, this company already works for builders, for enterprise, for blockchains. They already have products. What they're really trying to do is create an all-encompassing development ecosystem where blockchain builders can get easy access to everything they need to build in the Web3 space. Their mission is to create an infrastructure and development platform that will help Web3 builders throughout their entire journey from development to production release and beyond. They aim to play a decisive role in the worldwide blockchain adoption. So there was a piece recently done on them in their new Blast mainnet. Beware Labs, a leading blockchain infrastructure provider, is launching the mainnet of their blockchain API platform, Blast. Blast is a blockchain API platform designed to provide easy access to the most relevant networks in the blockchain space. So they're really helping developers get access to the blockchain space. Using Blast, developers can get RPC, RESTful, and WebSocket access to an ever-growing number of blockchain networks in just a couple of simple steps. They're bringing about a new generation of blockchain APIs. The speed and reliability of the API system will rely mainly on the platform's proof of quality protocol, which enables node owners to permissionally join the Blast protocol as node providers under the conditions that their nodes can satisfy the platform's performance and data integrity standards. So I'll be honest, as someone that's not a developer, this is a lot of jargon to me. So here's a little explainer if you don't know what APIs are, but I think this actually is helpful. So let's play this here.
To give you a familiar example, think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. Imagine you're sitting at the table with a menu of choices to order from, and the kitchen is the part of the system which will prepare your order. What's missing is the critical link to communicate your order to the kitchen and deliver your food back to your table. That's where the waiter, or API, comes in. The waiter is the messenger that takes your request or order and tells the system, in this case the kitchen, what to do, and then delivers the response back to you, in this case, food. Now,
so that's really what Beware Labs is doing. They are helping. This is just one part of what they do. They're the API that goes between developers and these different networks and helps them just connect to each other. And what they're able to do is do it quickly and securely. Now, something that they've been focusing on, obviously you want it to be quick, you want it to be smooth, but you also want it to be decentralized. That's really the root of crypto. And they've been focusing on that. They've been trying to continue that moving forward and focus on that as one of their core principles. A lot of them have worked at some of the largest companies in the world. They're highly skilled. The founders worked at Anchor, Google, IBM, Amazon, ING. Their collection of builders, traders, creators, inventors, developers. And they're really trying to focus, again, on decentralization, censorship resistance, and permissionlessness to avoid a single point of failure. They were able to launch the first version of their API back in 2021 at the very beginning. So like at the beginning of the last bull run, they were trying to demonstrate the feasibility of the project and start acquiring users. They had a seed round for $1 million. Their validator story started with validators Polygon, Elrond, and the Graph. They became an Avalanche Bridge warden. So they were selected as one of the first 4 wardens of the Avalanche Bridge. And to be clear on this is kind of a big deal. Designed by Ava Labs, Avalanche Bridge is a quick, secure, and low-cost way to bridge assets between Avalanche and Ethereum. With Avalanche Bridge, users can execute cross-chain transfers between Avalanche and Ethereum in a single on-chain transaction. And the bridge relies on a relationship between an enclave or private code base and 4 wardens run by Avascan, Beware Labs, Hellborn, and Ava Labs, and watch for and relay cross-chain information to the secure enclave. That's what they were talking about on their main page when they show that they have a total value locked of 300 million and they have assets secured of 5 billion. Now they also have a partnership with Polygon. They're an official provider for the public API for full nodes, just for mainnet, archive nodes, mainnet and testnet. These endpoints have already been added to the official Polygon documentation. The partnership has also been extended by onboarding a key member of the Polygon team as their product advisor. Now, this, again, is a lot of jargon, so if you want to go rewatch this, or if you want to go read more information about underneath the video, that's great. Maybe the thing that's a little bit more relevant for you is they have an Infra Token coming soon. They're launching this in the next couple of weeks, and this is going to be their utility token. And what they're going to do is you can actually delegate and get rewards. So delegation involves kind of lending to a node to then secure a network, which is really at the core of what Beware does. So again, this is really interesting. Beware Labs was evaluated at a $50 million valuation, and this is compared to some of the current infrastructure players being evaluated much higher. Alchemy was 10 billion, QuickNode 800 million, Anchor 340 million. So we'll have to see how this goes when the token comes out, what kind of market cap it's at. But it is a really interesting token as of now, because right now Beware Labs is kind of a juggernaut in this space. But let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Let me know if this is something you're interested in, if you want me to continue up with Beware Labs and give an update when the token launches, or if this is just a little bit over your head. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to Beware Labs as well for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.